Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. You've successfully created your site. Awesome. But before we put it out for the world to see, we're going to execute the final, yet extremely crucial step, which is previewing and testing our site. So let's dive into it. First, click on Preview at the top to enter your site's preview mode. Here on the preview mode, you should be able to interact with your website just like your visitor would. As you may remember, we created a sign up pop up. So as you can see, it works and this is how it looks like. So keep this in mind. You have to view your site one page at a time. And for each page, make sure of the following. By the way, prepare your notes to write down any mistakes you find while previewing and checking your site. First, ensure that your navigation menu works. Ensure that they take you to the correct pages on your site. For your content, make sure that there are no typos, no any kinds of mistakes. Also, make sure that all of your buttons lead to the correct places. For your bookings page, also make sure that the bookings work by trying to select an appointment, for example. Try selecting a date, time, staff member, etc. Basically, in short, see if everything works as they should perfectly. Once you're done with that, switch to your site's mobile view by clicking on the mobile icon on the top left. Ensure that everything functions and looks good over here too. And make sure to check every page on your mobile site as well. Your site should look good and be functional at the same time. That is our main goal. If there are things you need to correct, you can always click on the Back to Editor button and continue working on your site. Fix all the mistakes you've found. Basically, just repeat the process of previewing, noting down, and fixing until your site is polished and perfect, both on desktop and mobile. And after all of your fixes and finally your site is perfect, you can now click on the Publish button and launch your website. That's it. You've come a long way. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.